What's up, everybody? My name's Colby. Today we got a few things on the list, but the main thing is we're going to test out the newest drone of DJI. I personally have never handled a drone, never flown a drone, so this is going to be interesting. We're going to try not to wreck it. The DJI Mini 3 Pro. What we got inside here is the actual drone itself and the brand new RC controller. So we got the actual drone kit right there, and then with it we also got the actual Fly More kit. So get your extra batteries, extra propellers, get the charger, and you get the case. Kids, be careful at home. Knives are dangerous. Beautiful. Beautiful. As you can tell, my phone's a little broken. Got a little lightsaber now. But, oh well, but that's the reference. It's smaller than my phone. Get your little joysticks hidden underneath here. That's perfectly locked in there. That's awesome. And they just screw onto the top. Easy enough, but I'm kind of excited. Like, this stuff's cool. Got another little package in here. Little screwdriver, extra propellers, all the instructions. We don't need that stuff. One thing to note is before we can actually fly, you got to make sure everything's up to date and get logged in. You can hit start, and then it's just going to take us through a little bit of things, kind of how to do things. Shows you there is a little academy. I guess that's where it kind of teaches you how to fly. How do I fly the aircraft? Where should I go for my first flight? How do I fly safely? We're just going to take it out to an open field and we're going to try to fly it. So far it looks like the drone is connected. We're ready for takeoff. First maiden flight, we had a few hiccups just trying to get it off of the ground. I mean, eventually, the third attempt, we finally got it to fly, but it seemed like sitting on the grass, the propellers started to catch the grass and then it automatically stopped it. I was pretty surprised with the controller. It's gonna take a minute to get used to really kind of how you turn fly. It slowly panned, and then as soon as I full press, then it was like wanting to do 360s. So initially, if you're just trying to learn, super easy to figure out. My battery already died. I already flew for like 20 minutes, and like I said, it was only charged to maybe 75%. So it wanted to return back to home, said the battery's too low to fly. I'm not trying to do a full scientific flight test here and actually try every mode, but for now, I just wanted to really see what it was like to fly a drone. The hardest part is figuring out how to use the controls, because initially I was kind of fumbling around trying to figure out what would take me left, right, up, down. But as far as unboxing and trying to fly, it's possible. You can do it. It's super, super easy. A lot of really cool features in the new drone. It's gonna take me a minute to learn how to do any of it. But the basics is that it's a super light drone, comes under 249 grams, tri-directional obstacle sensing, 4K HD video, battery extended life, focus tracking. And then the next thing that I need to try too is the newest vertical shooting. Shoot your normal landscape, but now you can turn it and shoot vertical for reels, TikToks, whatever you want to do with vertical footage. That's really cool. As far as being someone that has never used a drone ever, taking that out of the box, I was able to pretty much figure out how to control it in the first 5 minutes. I can say that by far it's probably the best beginner drone. But take that with a grain of salt because I've never flown any other drones. But as far as this goes, it definitely was super easy to figure out. Take that how you will. I don't know if that helps you or not, but we're gonna test it out and try out the new features in the next video. So yeah, super simple. I just wanted to unbox it, fly it for a minute, test it out, see how the drone was. I'll catch you guys in the next one.